Lemon water has quietly turned into one of the most talked about morning habits in the wellness world, and it's earned that reputation. A splash of fresh lemon juice in a glass of water delivers vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, and a handful of other nutrients your body puts to immediate use. Here's the part that surprises most people. Even though lemon juice tastes sharp and acidic going down, your body actually metabolizes it into something alkaline. That shift alone gives your system a gentle, natural detox boost. It finally gets you drinking enough water. Most people struggle to hit their daily water intake, plain and simple. Since your body is over 70% water, staying properly hydrated isn't optional, it's foundational. Lemon water solves the "I don't like the taste of water" problem while adding vitamins and minerals that support fluid retention, so every system in your body has what it needs to run the way it should. It gives your energy a natural lift. Two things drive real energy: well-hydrated cells and a metabolism that's working efficiently. When your cells are properly hydrated, they simply perform better. Water intake also kicks off lipolysis, the process where your body breaks down stored fat for fuel. That process depends on adequate hydration, and lemon makes it easier to drink the amount your body actually needs. It backs up your immune system. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C and a bit of zinc, both essential for an immune system that actually works. Vitamin C sharpens your body's antimicrobial defenses and ramps up natural killer cells, the ones that hunt down foreign invaders. Lemon extract itself has been shown to fight off a wide range of harmful bacteria, functioning almost like a natural frontline defense. It can help the scale move in the right direction. People who drink more water tend to eat less without even trying. One simple trick: sip a glass of lemon water before meals. It fills you up so you naturally eat less. One study found that drinking about 17 ounces of water before breakfast cut calorie intake by 13%. And lemon just makes that habit easier to stick with since it actually tastes good. It helps your skin look and feel younger. Free radicals are one of the biggest drivers of visible aging, especially on your skin. Lemon water is rich in antioxidants that neutralize free radicals and calm the inflammatory response happening at the cellular level. Research has linked higher vitamin C intake to less dry skin and fewer wrinkles over time, and vitamin C is required for your body to produce collagen, the protein that keeps skin firm and youthful. It freshens your breath from the inside. Bad breath usually comes down to bacteria buildup in your mouth. Lemon's natural antibacterial properties go after that bacteria directly, keeping your breath fresher for longer. Vitamin C also supports gum and tooth health, so the benefit goes beyond just smelling good. It helps keep inflammation in check. Some inflammation is necessary. It's how your body heals and fights off threats. But when it sticks around and becomes chronic, it's been tied to some of the most serious health conditions out there, including heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. Lemon water's natural anti-inflammatory properties give you an easy, everyday tool to help keep that inflammation from becoming a long-term problem. It gives your liver a helping hand. Your liver needs adequate hydration to do its job properly, and lemon water may go a step further. Some research suggests lemon's natural compounds help protect the liver by slowing down lipid peroxidation and reducing fatty buildup. The high citric acid content also appears to lower oxidative stress in the liver, which has been shown to reduce systemic inflammation and liver damage. It keeps digestion moving smoothly. Vitamin C and citric acid both help your body absorb dietary iron, which matters a lot if you're dealing with anemia. Drinking lemon water before a meal can help you absorb more of that iron. On top of that, better hydration helps keep things moving, easing or even preventing constipation. It may help prevent kidney stones. This benefit also traces back to citric acid. It inhibits the formation of kidney stones and can even help dissolve small ones before they grow. The more citric acid present in your urine, the more protection you get. In fact, the standard medication prescribed for kidney stones, Potassium citrate is a very similar compound. One study found lemon juice offers protection comparable to potassium citrate for treating urinary calcium stones, making lemon water a refreshing, natural option worth considering.